Hello friends, welcome back to my channel ITparivar. So guys, in the last video we learned how to set up or deploy a new domain controller in a forest, and even we successfully deployed. So now in this video I will show you how to create a user group and OU on the domain controller. Okay, I mean in Active Directory domain controller. So I'll show you step by step, but before going ahead I want to request you, if you have not subscribed yet my channel, please subscribe, just to motivate me, just to support me. Okay, and don't forget to click on bell icon, and there are many more videos available on my channel ITparivar, so you can review all those videos. That will be helpful for you. So let's start now. Let me jump on my domain controller. So this is my domain controller which we deployed last time, in the last video. Okay, so you can see here the domain name is itparivar.land. Okay, so this is my domain controller, and I am going to show you how you can create user group and OU in Active Directory domain controller. Okay, so you can see here, after opening server manager you have to click on tools and then need to open Active Directory users and computers. Okay, so this is Active Directory users and computer console, from where you can create user group and OU, right? So let me expand this. Here few by default created OUs you can see: built-in computers, domain controller, foreign security principal, managed service account, and users. So these are by default created OUs, right? So what we'll do here, we'll create one new OU. So just right click here on the domain name, go to new, and click to organizational unit, means OU. Name it here. So suppose if you are going to create a user for a site or for a department, right? So here you need to name it, right? So suppose you are going to create this location for Noida HR location or Mumbai HR location. So in same way here you need to put the OU name. So I am going to put here Noida. Okay, and I'm going to say, you can see here one new OU created with the name of Noida. Okay, suppose you are going to create you are trying to create a OU for the HR or ID department separately for the Noida location. So you can right click here and you can create a sub OU here, means sub means within the Noida OU, under Noida OU you can create one more or many more sub OUs department wise, right? So here suppose we are going to create for HR, so just we'll put here HR. One more OU let's create here, that is IT. Okay, say okay. Now you can see we have one parent OU and there are two sub OU. Okay, within this sub OU, suppose we have one user who is HR. So we can create here a user ID for that HR person, like Vivek, last name Kumar. Okay, and you can keep your name as per your requirement or as per your company policy or as per your organization rules and regulation. Okay, so for now just I'm going to create here like Vivek dot Kumar. Okay, so the login name will be vivek.kumar. Okay, and domain name will be itparivar.land. Okay, here you can see itparivar /vivek.kumar. Okay, saying next, Here you can put user ID and password for that user, and if you want you can untick this, or you can check, you can leave this as a check mark. User must change password at next logon, because once this ID will be created, you will share this password whatever you entered here, and once user will try to log in, he will get a prompt to change the password, right? So if you want, you can keep this as it is, or you can uncheck this option. So if we'll uncheck, user will not prompted to change the password, right? So the best way is to select this option, keep this check box, and next, so that user will get the password prompt, change password prompt, and he will change his or her password, right? So let me click here on the next and finish. Okay, so you can see here one user created under this OU, under HR. Let's create one more user within ITOU, like IT, okay, Rajan Kumar. In same way you can put here Rajan dot Kumar, or Rajan K, or R dot Kumar, whatever you want, right? Say next, same process, put password here and click to next and finish. So we have two users, one user is in HROU and one user in ITOU. Okay, in same way we can create a group for the respective to department. Okay, so to create the group, you can create in under any OU, but if you want to create department wise, so it will be better to create that under respective OU, respective team OU. Okay, so right click here, I'm going to create one group for HR department. So I'm going to click here on new and group. So here we can put HR, or SG hyphen HR. SG means security group hyphen HR. You can keep this as a global, or as per your requirement. If you can, if you have any other domain controller, and if there is a trust between this domain and other domain, so you can select this domain local, so that you can add the other users, other domain users to this group. Okay, otherwise we can keep this by default, which is global, and say okay. If you have to add this user to this group, what you need to do, either you can double click on the user, or go to the user properties, go here, member of, and you can select here and type here SG-HR group name, check names. Okay, apply. Okay, you can see here now Vivek Kumar user added to this group. If you go here on members, you can see Vivek is here. If you want, you can add other users or this user from here also. Just go to the group properties, go to here, add button, and type here Vivek Kumar. Okay, so you can add the user from the security group properties by going security group properties or user properties. Okay, say okay. In same way, we'll create here one more OU for IT group, SG-IT. It's up to you. You can put here SGIT, or you can put only IT. Okay, say okay. Now you can add this user to this group. either by going to the Rajan Kumar user ID properties, or you can go here. In last time during adding the Vivek ID to the HR group, we added by going to the user Vivek user ID properties, but for now I'm going to show you by going to here SGIT properties group. So what you need to do, you need to click here members, add, and type here Rajan, you can see Rajan Kumar, and say okay, apply, and you can see here in this, so in this group, I mean SGIT group, Rajan Kumar ID added. So in this way guys, you can create new user or group, you can add users to that group, and you can create OUs, parent OUs, sub OUs, department wise or location wise in this way. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So again, I'll request you to please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that whenever I'll update new videos, you will get the notification. Thank you. Bye bye.